how to change IP addresses gateway DNS on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connections. So after click on connections, so click on Wi-Fi. So after click on Wi-Fi, click on this settings icon. Now in Wi-Fi settings, click on view more. So after click on view more, you will see IP settings is here. So if you want to change IP addresses, change. So click on IP addresses. So you will see IP addresses. And if you want to change gateway, so click on gateway. So after change gateway, so you will see if you want to change DNS, so after changing, click on save. So after click on save, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change IP addresses gateway DNS on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.